Welcome to the Ultimate Road Sign Refresher. In this video, we'll walk you through 50 of the most important road signs every driver needs to know. Whether you're preparing for your driving test, refreshing your knowledge, or simply aiming to be a safer, more confident driver, this guide is for you. Knowing these signs isn't just about passing a test. It's about making smart, safe decisions every time you get behind the wheel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more expert driving tips. Let's jump in. First, this is the dog sled crossing sign, and it means that in snowy or northern regions, you may encounter dog sled teams using or crossing the road. So drivers must slow down and yield when necessary to ensure everyone's safety on these unique shared routes. This is the straight through and right turn sign, and it means that vehicles in the indicated lane are allowed to either continue going straight or make a right turn at the upcoming intersection, helping organize traffic movement more efficiently. This is the Steam Railway Tourist Attraction 300 yards ahead sign, and it means there's a heritage railway site just ahead, often with increased tourist traffic, slow-moving vehicles turning in, and pedestrians crossing. This is the parking disc sign, and it means you may park in this area using a time-limited disc system, where you must display the time of your arrival, commonly used in free but regulated parking zones. This is the with flow cycle lane ahead sign, and it means a bicycle lane is beginning that runs in the same direction as the traffic. Drivers should never park or drive in this lane and must watch for cyclists as they approach or turn. What does this sign indicate? Parking disc. What movement does this sign allow? Straight through and right turn. What is this sign referring to? Dog sled crossing. This is the hill, bike sign, and it means cyclists are about to encounter a steep incline or descent. Drivers should be ready to share the road and pass with caution, as cyclists may be moving much slower or faster than expected. This is the road narrows on both sides sign, and it means that the width of the roadway is about to reduce from both the left and right, requiring drivers to slow down, stay centered, and be cautious of nearby vehicles. This is the tunnel sign, and it means you're approaching an enclosed passage. So turn on your headlights, maintain lane discipline, avoid sudden lane changes, and be prepared for reduced lighting and confined conditions. This is the quayside or riverbank sign, and it means the road is running alongside a body of water such as a river or dock. Drivers must steer carefully and avoid veering toward the edge, especially in wet or slippery conditions. This is the hospital sign, and it means a medical facility is nearby. So reduce noise, avoid honking, and watch for ambulances entering or exiting, along with increased pedestrian traffic near emergency entrances. This is the side road at an acute angle, right sign, and it means a narrow side road is merging sharply from the right at a steep angle. Drivers must be prepared for sudden entries into their lane and adjust speed and spacing accordingly. This is the speed limit sign, and it means the maximum legal speed allowed on this stretch of road is now enforced. Drivers must adjust their speed immediately to match the posted limit and promote safer driving conditions. What type of structure is associated with this sign? Tunnel. What does this sign relate to? Hill, bike. What kind of junction is shown? side road at an acute angle, right. This is the keep right sign, and it means you must steer or pass to the right side of an obstruction, median, or construction zone. Failing to follow this can disrupt traffic flow and lead to collisions in tight or shared spaces. This is the reserved bicycle lane sign, and it means the designated lane ahead is strictly for bicycles. Motorists must not enter, block, or drive in it, and must yield to any cyclists when crossing or turning across the lane. This is the T intersection with parallel tracks, left sign, and it means you're approaching a T-junction where railway tracks run parallel from the left. Be cautious when turning or merging, and always look for approaching trains. This is the no overtaking sign, and it means drivers are not allowed to pass or overtake other vehicles on this road section. This restriction is in place for safety due to curves, hills, or limited visibility. This is the keep minimum distance shown sign, and it means you must maintain at least the specified gap between your vehicle and the one ahead, especially important in tunnels or on fast-moving highways where reaction time is limited. This is the interstate route marker, 2 digits sign, and it means you're traveling on or near a major U.S. interstate highway. These numbered signs help guide drivers along national routes that connect cities and states efficiently. This is the oblique intersection sign, and it means a side road will meet the main road at a sharp or slanted angle. Extra caution is required here since visibility and merging space may be limited. What does this sign depict? T intersection with parallel tracks, left. What does this sign instruct drivers to maintain? Keep minimum distance shown. What type of intersection is illustrated here? Oblique intersection. This is the yield sign ahead sign, and it means you'll soon need to slow down and give the right-of-way at an upcoming junction. Be prepared to pause and let cross-traffic or vehicles on the preferred route pass safely. This is the train station sign, and it means there's a railway station nearby. Expect increased pedestrian movement, vehicles turning in and out of drop-off zones, and occasional congestion around entrances or parking areas. This is the route for use by buses and tramcars only sign, and it means the road or lane ahead is restricted to public transport vehicles. Private cars and motorcycles are not permitted to enter and must take an alternate route. This is the railway crossing ahead sign, and it means train tracks intersect the road further ahead. Drivers should prepare to slow down, look carefully in both directions, and stop if signals indicate an approaching train. This is the two-way traffic, 3-lane, 2 lanes in the opposing direction, sign, and it means that traffic flows in both directions, but 2 of the 3 lanes are assigned to oncoming vehicles. This is the straight ahead or right ahead sign, and it means that from the indicated lane, drivers are only allowed to either proceed forward or make a right turn. Left turns are prohibited at this intersection. What is the designated route use? Route for use by buses and tramcars only. What type of warning is given by this sign? Yield sign ahead. What direction options are permitted here? Straight ahead or right ahead? This is the double curve ahead sign, and it means the road will soon bend in one direction, followed by a second bend in the opposite direction. reduce speed, and remain alert as quick directional changes can catch drivers off guard. This is the route for use by tramcars only sign, and it means the road section is reserved strictly for trams. Other vehicles must stay out to ensure the safety and priority of public rail transport. This is the wild horse sign, and it means wild or free-roaming horses may cross or move near the road. Drivers should proceed with care, as animals can appear suddenly and are easily startled by engine noise or lights. This is an example of a provincial highway shield, and it means the sign marks a government-designated highway route, commonly used to navigate across regional or provincial road networks with consistent signage. This is the combination junction, two route signs sign, and it means two numbered routes merge or intersect at the upcoming junction. Drivers should watch closely for route markers and directional signs to follow their intended path correctly. This is the keep left of obstacle sign, and it means drivers must pass to the left side of an obstruction, such as a traffic island, roadwork barrier, or median. Following this helps maintain safe and orderly traffic flow. This is the forest route sign, and it means you're entering a road that runs through wooded or forested terrain. These areas may offer scenic views, but also require caution due to winding paths, fallen branches, or wildlife crossing unexpectedly. This is the cyclist crossing sign, and it means there's a location ahead where bicycles frequently cross the road. Drivers should reduce their speed, scan both sides, and yield to any cyclists entering the roadway. This is the rumble strips sign, and it means there are raised, textured lines on the road ahead that will create vibration and sound when driven over. These are meant to alert inattentive or drowsy drivers. What type of route junction is indicated? Combination junction, two route signs. What kind of path is marked here? Forest route. What road layout is shown? Double curve ahead. This is the parking area sign, and it means there is a designated space where vehicles may be parked legally. These areas are typically marked clearly and may include posted restrictions on time limits or specific vehicle types. This is the fasten seat belt sign, and it means all passengers must buckle their seat belts immediately. Often found near toll booths, tunnels, or enforcement areas, this sign reinforces safety laws to help prevent serious injury. This is the vehicle's exceeding height indicated prohibited sign, and it means that any vehicle taller than the posted limit cannot proceed beyond this point due to height-restricted structures like bridges, tunnels, or overpasses. This is the winding road right sign, and it means the road ahead features a series of curves beginning with a right turn. Drivers should reduce speed and remain focused as these bends may be tight and continuous. This is the approaching an intersection sign, and it means you're nearing a road junction. Drivers must slow down, check for cross traffic, and be ready to yield or stop to ensure safe navigation through the intersection. This is the low ground clearance railroad crossing sign, and it means the train tracks ahead are raised in such a way that vehicles with long or low undercarriages could become stuck. Extra caution is needed, and such vehicles may need to reroute entirely. This is the turn left sign, and it means all vehicles must make a left turn at the next intersection. Going straight or turning right is not permitted, often used to manage traffic flow around restricted areas or one-way systems. This is the soft verges sign, and it means the edge of the roadway is unstable or not suitable to support the weight of a vehicle. Drivers should avoid pulling off the road in these areas to prevent sinking, tipping, or getting stuck. This is the library sign, and it means a public library is nearby. Drivers should watch for pedestrians crossing to or from the facility and avoid creating noise or traffic congestion in this quiet community space. What restriction is described by this sign? Vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited. What kind of roadside condition is mentioned? Soft verges. What kind of facility is this sign pointing to? Parking area. This is the motor road sign, and it means you're entering a road intended only for motorized vehicles. Bicycles, pedestrians, and non-motorized traffic are not allowed beyond this point to ensure uninterrupted high-speed vehicle movement. This is the route recommended for pedal cycles on the main carriageway of a road sign, and it means that cyclists are encouraged to use the main travel lane rather than a separate path. Motorists must expect cyclists in traffic and give them adequate room when overtaking. This is the stop before crossing, police ahead sign, and it means there is a checkpoint or police inspection zone coming up. Drivers are required to come to a full stop and may undergo routine checks or questioning as part of traffic safety or security protocols. This is the slippery road sign, and it means the surface ahead may be hazardous due to rain, oil, ice, or loose gravel. Drivers should reduce speed and use gentle steering, braking, and acceleration to maintain control. This is the stopping place for buses sign, and it means a designated bus stop is ahead. Drivers should not park or obstruct this area and must allow buses to safely pull in, stop, and rejoin traffic. This is the traffic-calmed neighborhood sign, and it means you're entering an area with special road design features, such as speed humps, narrowed lanes, or chicanes, meant to slow down vehicles and create a safer environment for pedestrians and residents. This is the No Pedestrians or Bicycles sign, and it means both foot and bicycle traffic are strictly prohibited past this point, commonly placed at freeway on-ramps, tunnels, or high-speed zones, where non-motorized travel would be extremely dangerous. And that's a wrap on our 50 essential road signs. We hope this guide has helped you feel more confident, informed, and ready to tackle any road ahead. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more expert driving tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay alert and drive safe.